Hi there, this is Nabila with Creator LMS, and today I'm going to show you how you can create courses with some basic lessons and chapters and how the course builder works in Creator LMS. So let's get started. So to create the courses, you need to go to the courses section. Now I'm going to go over there, and as you can see that this is a brand new website. I don't have any courses yet. So I'm going to click on the add course button here. You can see the button here as well, so it's easier for you to navigate. So I'm going to click on add course, and you'll see two options here. The first one is the start from scratch, and the second one here is generate outline with AI. Now I'm going to show you the AI in one of my later videos. So today I'm going to show you how to start a course from scratch. So if you click on this, it takes you to this section. So this is an overall section where the course builder is located. Now you can see multiple options here. You can add chapters from here. You'll be able to see how many chapters you have if you have a longer course. Then you can add the course title here. You can add course description. You can add multiple chapters and their names here. You can add the chapter description, and you have the settings option here, the preview. This is the overall options here. So let me go over one by one. So this is the course title. So let's say my course is a digital marketing course. So I'm gonna write. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some description here. So let's say so that's about my description. You can go ahead and add bullet points. You can give heading to each section you add in the description. You can also generate images and write with AI. So I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to go ahead and add an image or a video here. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and add an image only. So let's select file from the media library. So I have this one here. So this is my thumbnail image or the featured image of my course. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a chapter. So you can see that when I click on the chapter, the section where I have added all the initial information has been hidden, and now I can focus on the chapter only. So here I'm going to add the chapter. So let's say this is going to be a basic chapter, and you can see the title is changing here on the left sidebar as well. So I'm going to click on the content here. So we have three types of lessons, as you can see: text-based lessons, video lessons, and audio lessons. So for now, I'm going to add a text-based lesson here. So click on the text. You can see that there are some options here. So it's visibility. You can draft it or publish it right away. You can add lesson previews, prerequisites, drip settings. You can add resources here, and you can also delete the lesson from inside of it. And I'm going to add an image here. So this is the cover image. So I'm going to click on this. So that's about it. The quality is not very good that I added here, but that's all right. You can add your image here, whichever you prefer. So let's say I'm going to add. So here you can add the description. So I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to show you the options we have. So this is basically similar as the course description. You can add headings here. You can add text, bullet list, numbered list, block quote. You can add horizontal rules. So this is how it works. You can like divide each section you add. Then we have the image option. You can add image inside of the text lessons as well. So this is more or less similar in all the lesson types. The difference is in the text lesson, you add some text. You can add videos in the video lesson. You can add audios in the audio lesson. So that's all about it. You can go ahead and save this, and you can add multiple lessons here. So I'm not going to edit it. I'm just going to show you how it works. So in the video lesson, you can add videos from here. You can add like an external URL, like you can add YouTube videos or Vimeo videos here. You can add your own videos with these supported files. You can add the lessons, and you can see that there are more or less same settings in the lesson tabs. Then I haven't added anything here, so it's currently in the untitled. Now you can add multiple chapters here, so let's say chapter 2, then you can add chapter 3. You can add as many chapters as you want. So if you want to add multiple lessons, you can add quizzes here. As you can see, there are drag and drop quiz options here, so I'm not gonna save it. So you can see it's giving me a warning sign. I'm just going to close it. You can see the quiz has been added. You can edit it however you want, whenever you want. You have the chapter description. I didn't add anything here. And we have assignments, and you can see that it has some settings. I'm going to show these in detail in another video. So that's about it for the course builder. Now if you go to next, you can see that you have some options to add pricing, capacity, visibility status. I'm going to go over this in another video. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how it looks in the front end. As you can see, there's a published checklist. So if somehow you missed anything in the course builder, it will be shown here. So let's say I didn't add anything as course duration in the settings tab. So it's given as not set. The level is beginner because it's defaultly set up. The slug is untitled. I didn't add any slug here. Let's go ahead and add a slug for your ease. So let's say this is digital marketing, right? So that's about it. So let's click on next. You can see the slug has been changed to digital marketing. Now I'm going to go ahead and preview this. So let's click on preview. And you can see that this is how the course is looking currently in the front end. Now let's go back and publish this. Now you can go ahead and update your course whenever you want. You can see that there's a scheduling option. You can also click on schedule and make your course to go public at a specific time. So that's about it for creating a basic course. I'll see you in one of my next videos. Until then, take care.